Hello friends, once again welcome back to another new video from Health and Techie. Today in this video we are going to see that how to grow jade plant faster using aloe vera gel. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button to see more videos just as like this. At the very first step, you have to take or select a very healthy jade plant for propagation. So I have taken a jade plant here and I am going to take a cutting of it. Please remember to take a matured and healthy stem cutting of your jade plant for propagation. Now our cutting for the propagation is ready. So you have to take a very healthy and a matured stem cutting for propagation. Otherwise there is chance for failure. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to take a aloe vera leaf and I am going to cut down one of the leaves of the aloe vera using a scissor. Now what I am going to do is I am going to separate the aloe vera gel from the leaf. So I am going to open the aloe vera leaf using a sharp knife and I will transfer some of the aloe vera gel into a separate container. After separating the aloe vera gel into the container, you have to take a pinch of soil and then you have to add it into the aloe vera gel. Now mix these two ingredients very well. Okay, now I am going to place the jade plant cutting into the aloe vera gel which we have prepared, and you have to keep it in the aloe vera gel for at least 2 hours. Meanwhile, we will prepare the potting mix. For planting our jade plant cutting, you have to take about 50% of cocopeat and 50% of the normal garden soil. Now you have to mix these two ingredients thoroughly. You will get better results if you use a mixture of cocopeat and the garden soil itself. Okay, now our potting mix is also ready. Now it's the time to plant the cutting into the separate container. Remember to take a container with lot of drainage holes at the bottom. And now I will fill the container with the prepared potting mix. Jade plant grow much faster when you are using aloe vera as a rooting hormone and also using this type of potting mix. Please remember to place the jade plant cutting in the aloe vera gel preparation for at least 2 hours for getting better results. Okay, now it's the time to plant our cutting into the soil. You have to take the cutting which we have placed in the aloe vera gel and plant the cutting gently into the potting mix which we have prepared. And you should keep this container in a partially shaded area. Don't place the container under direct sunlight, and you have to water the container for at least once in a day. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any doubts about this video, please let me know in our comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button also. Once again, thanks for watching and have a very wonderful day ahead, friends.